Want to know how to shrink your audio or reduce your audio's track time in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. Once you've done that, you can just simply import any audio that you like. Once you have done that, so in this track right here, my track length currently is around 4 minutes and 30 seconds or 4 minutes and 10 seconds or 50 seconds, as you can see right here. Now if you want to shrink my track, you can just simply double click on it, head towards effect right here and then select pitch and tempo. Now once you're there, here you can see change pitch and speed, so you can just simply select it. And now in order to shrink it, you can just simply slide the slider to the right side right here. So right here, as you can see, new length has been seen as well, so you can just simply change its format as well as type in manually. So once you're done, just simply select apply, and after a while your speed and pitch should be added and your tracks should be synced. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.